up, okay? These guys do not like heights. They will get scared and flail their little paws down and picked up. I don't want to touch anybody.
Oh.
This is our little male Jabari, and that's...
That was it crawling.
I did.
Small or as few as 5 individuals.
Hi.
They can be as strong as 3 individuals. They usually average anywhere between 10 to 20 in a pride. And a pride consists of usually one alpha male. Sometimes there will be other males within the pride. Whether they're the offspring of that alpha male is to be determined when it comes to their living situation. But most of the time you're going to have one alpha male and a series of females. The alpha male will impregnate any one of those females and protect his pride with his life, actually. He will give his life up for those females and for his cubs. So these guys, they have been known to travel on their own in, like I said, smaller prides. There are reports of lions actually moving north towards the Saharan Desert in Africa and being found in prides as small as 5. So very, very small groups, but generally they congregate with at least 10 to 20.
Oh, he's just over there.
Roll potty, Jabari? And a lot of people also ask about their spots. Most people don't realize when lions are born, they actually come out spotted. If you look at our male, his spots are still much more clear than his sisters. They do usually fade during the first 6 months of life, usually by about 6 months. The only spots that they have are on their lower legs. The rest of them have faded. It is actually a camouflage technique designed to give them a little extra protection when they are young and helpless.
They're each other's chew toys. Hi.
Alright guys, so if you want to go ahead and give me some more good rubs.
Hi. Hi there. They really are like
They are. I like to describe them and tigers, kind of like a St. Bernard or a Great Dane. They're very sociable, very clumsy, but very, very friendly and extremely playful.
Hi, I know, I've got lots of hair. What are you gonna do, huh? Yeah, they're so cute. How many tigers are there here?
49. 49 tigers, 54 lions, 47 leopards, and 44 bears.
Oh,
and tons of other small lynxes and snow leopards.
Have you guys ever had bobcats here?
We have had bobcats in the past, yes. It's been quite a few years, I think, since we've worked with them, but we have had bobcats. If you look on the back of the door as you're going in the gift shop, there's all kinds of pictures from the last 30 years in there, and all kinds of different animals we've had. Family that's on the place. Get him, Jabari. Get him, tough guy.
And the stuffing is falling out.
That one's on the flat. Yeah.
He's getting really mad because he couldn't get up here.
Oh, they're cute. Well, they're learning how to take down wild prey.
She picks on him most of the time, too. She gets the better of him.